The twin brothers out in front to the top.
On winning the race.
Angry as hell, isn't it?
Around, went back up north, then got invited to the Nürburgring, so went even further north, then got invited to the Danish border, went further north, so like 6 months after I left London, I literally was further north, knew the words, so he said to the president, oh Mr. President, Ben wants to sing you the political party song, and he said, oh, and Ben also wants to stand up on the table and do it, and I couldn't say no, so I had to stand up on the table and sing this song to the president, and all his family, and all his security. Oh, it was the most embarrassing moment of my life.
You did it yesterday, so you've got to do it. Do your stretching first.
Okay, it was like I apologise to anyone who speaks Urdu and if I just butcher the language. It was and that's basically it.
At £2,000 goes at 2. At 2 bid, 2 bid, 2 bid, 2 goes 21. 21 bid, 22. Bit of a low start with these, 22.
There's Teapot 1.
Yeah, see, I've got to admit, I'm an anti-clockwise fan. I like going up the west coast purely because generally when I go, I'm starting sort of Glasgow way, just because I've got friends and my son and that lives there, so I tend to start there and then work my way round. Inverness to John O'Groats. I like them. Right, at the risk of sounding like a total hooligan, if you like to make a little bit of progress, that is a phenomenal road, but they are starting to police it a lot more than they used to because it was such a good bit of road, you know, it's proper TT stuff like that, phenomenal. Not too much to see, is it? Really isn't too much to see.
Yeah. I think clockwise seems just to flow better. I don't know why, it just does.
Sorry, I mean clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Yeah, I'm clockwise.